Cow.
Oh, that's what cows say?
Cow. Yeah. Cow.
Okay, sure. Don't they say moo?
Cow.
Good afternoon, guys. It's just a chill day. Tried to get ready, but my hair, I accidentally last night after my shower put way too much oil, argan oil, coconut oil in my hair, so now it's like really oily, and straightening it's not really working and it just looks gross. And so I just decided to put it in a ponytail and let it soak in all its nutrients and stuff, so it's nice and healthy. Dan and Caden are driving me crazy.
No, go.
What?
No,
Get
go.
out, Mom.
Don't be so rude.
Go.
Oh. Mama, stay out.
Yeah.
Well, I feel loved, don't I?
No girls allowed.
What?
It's funny.
You're sorry?
Fans. Fans.
Crayons.
Yeah, fans.
Yeah,
fans.
we just cleaned. I don't think so.
Yeah.
We just cleaned the entire house, basically. Well, 2 rooms.
Cars. And then cars. Cars.
Hey guys, so we cleaned the house. Not our room. We cleaned Kane's room. It was a giant mess. Now it's a little cleaner. We still have to put things where they go, but it's cleaner. Caden's being a brat. Don't be a brat. But yeah, we cleaned. He's watching Turbo. And I am going to be making some food for dinner. That was horrible. This guy just crushed a snail on the TV. He was so mean.
So guys, I'm going to be putting Kane to bed now. It's 8:30.
Milk.
And he wants milk. You know how much milk this kid had today? He probably had like 1.5 liters.
And then.
Come give me a hug. And a kiss. Mwah.
Yeah. No. Mama dead.
Whoa, dude. Dude. You ready for bed?
No, in there.
Alright. Whoa! Where's the moon?
Where is it? Is it nowhere? Covered up?
Mommy, go.
Where do you want me to lay?
Right there. Yeah, right there.
Mommy lay down there.
Yeah. No. Oh no. No, mommy's on there. No.
Read your book. Show me the snake.
No. No what? cat to own a tree. Where is it? White.
Turtle.
White. She's still on that. Your aunt is old bear.
Yeah.
Cow.
Oh, that's what cows say?
Cow. Yeah. Cow.
Okay, sure. Don't they say moo?
Cow.
Okay, sure.
A cow. Cow.
I think that's what cows say.
No.
Oh, moo.
Cow.
Moo.
No.
You want me to read them? You want me to read the nose book? Yeah. You wanna read?
No.
Hmm?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm ending the vlog. I had a relaxing night. Caden went to sleep and then I took a bath. I did my nails. I only got this hand done though. I have to do my feet and my other hand, but it's too late now, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I had my face mask on and my face feels super smooth and soft. But yeah, Dan is sleeping or trying to sleep. He has to get up really, really early at 5 in the morning because he has a assessment. I don't know what it is, a job interview, so something like that. And yeah, hopefully he gets it because it's a lot more money than what he makes right now. So I'm hoping he gets it because that would be really good for us. But going to sleep and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.